Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are doing a snowflake manicure. I've got a couple products here from iMethod. They are a great company. This is a stamping plate by them. I have like 4 or 5 others. This is, let's see how close I can get this. Manzillin 01. Try to get it out of the glare so you can see maybe. This is a beautiful, beautiful plate. We have got 5 gorgeous nails before us. The foils, I believe it's Charlie's. I have used, this is the original color, the blue that I've used. This is also by iMethod. It is number 127. Try to get framed just a little bit better. 127. This is a beautiful, beautiful blue. Perfect for a snow manicure. On the blue, I have used SheModern stencil glue gel, or the glue gel. I love SheModern products, so check them out at SheModern.com. I have got the sparkling blue peacock glitter pixie. Burnish that in on the nails, put them back in the lamp for a quick cure, just so that it adheres better into the glue. We have got 1 nail with foil. We are going to be doing the other live with you. We'll be doing stamping on 2 nails. I'm using iMethod's foil glue. Love this product. Firm believer in it. I promote it to anyone. I think it is better than any of the other ones I've tried. And that includes a lot of the high-priced foil glues. This works better, and this is very, very reasonably priced off Amazon. So I'm gonna, excuse me, stick that in the lamp for a quick cure. 45 seconds is optimal, but you can do the 60. My nails are finito. We pop this in real quick. Alright, alright, alright. Get your nail. Line it up where you would like. Press down firmly. Whoops. Oh shoot. I'm going to press it down into the nail. Rub, rub, rub. I'm going to get my little silicone tool here and just rub all over the nail. Make sure you get your sides, your cuticle area. I really want this big snowflake in the center. I want that to work out well. As well as the ones on the sides. So rub real good with your silicone tool here. And hope this works out well. So let me take a quick peek. And just go over the sides here. And there we go. I think this is a beautiful pickup, transfer, whichever you want to call it. Now we just wait for our nails to come out of the lamp. And we can dive into stamping. Oh, here we go. Beautiful. I'm using my clear jelly stamper by SheModern. This is a reinforced stamping head. This will not cave in. It has got a plastic plate behind the stamping head that stops it from caving in. So, I do want to put these snowflakes on. Oh, I need to put more top coat. Hello. Hello. I can't believe I forgot. I can't believe. George. There we go. Two. Oh, I think this is on backwards. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to go with our stamping. Looks like paper towel. Our stamping plate. I'm going to be using these images here. I'm picking up with SheModern Sticky White Stamping Polish. And then I'm going to float over the top afterwards the Silver Hollow. Hello. Hello, Erica. Hello, baby. The Silver Hollow glitter card. This is from way back when SheModern like first started out. Thought I was all set up and prepared, and here I forgot my scraper. Cover your image real well. Take your SheModern scraper. Roll your stamper over, and you have got a beautiful, beautiful clear pickup. Every single time with the SheModern sticky stamping. Can't go wrong with a sticky stamping polish. Beautiful. Let's see what else I got here. Nope, gotta go back over it. Oh, always make sure you prime your plate, brand new ones, before you use them. And I forgot. So let me just get the chips here. Scrape. Pick up. Beautiful. Now, as I said, make sure you clean your stamper off after each use. I'm going to go in with the Silver Hollow. Why it's still sticky. I would prefer to make these silver snowflakes. Just going to tap it in lightly. So this is all covered. Tap, tap, tap. I'm going to pop her in the lamp. And go on to my next nail. We will cure those together. Cover your image. Scrape. Roll over. Get a beautiful pickup every single time. Every time. See if I get another snowflake at the bottom. And again, we're going with our SheModern Silver Hollow pigment. It's a free-flowing bottle. They didn't used to be free-flowing bottles, but it seems like most of the ones nowadays are. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp. Give those a cure, as well as these. And we will be right back. Alright, we are back. We have cured all the nails. We are going to top coat now, but don't forget, go check out iMethod. iMethod.com. Check them out here on YouTube. Check them out on Amazon. The Clear Jelly Stamper is by SheModern.com. Check them out. Check out their catalog. I am a brand ambassador for SheModern. I'll put my code across the bottom of the screen. But now, we're going to go in and top coat our beautiful nails. We're going to go over the Silver Hollow with our top coat, as well as our stamping. turned out really beautiful. Careful with these snowflakes now, they are beautiful. Your foil. Last nail is your other hollow nail. I think it turned out beautiful. I am going to take on the middle finger a few little gems just for a little bit of sparkle. Yep. Just adding a few here and there. Little más. Whoops. Right down in the corner. There we go. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp. 60-second full cure, and we will be back. Alright, we are back. The nails are finished in the lamp. I think these turned out really super pretty. Very winterish, Christmassy. Snowballs. So I can make a thing of snowballs. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my snow manicure. Love the foils. I think this turned out really, really pretty. I just love the foils. Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos and giveaways. Stay tuned because I'm starting one Christmas Eve. Have a blessed day and thank you.